Dear students, in this video, we will learn to plot histogram of the given data, like I have already plotted. So let's start. Okay, you can see that this is a simple code that include two important points. First is you have to define the data. Like I am generating a random data, it will generate 1000 random numbers from a normal distribution like 1 to 10,000. Then you have to create a figure. In figure, it will plot histogram. This is the command histogram histogram. Then this data, and this data should be distributed in how many bins? Like I am going to distribute it in 20 bins. So if I run this code, you can see that this number 1 to 1000 random numbers are histogramically distributed into 20 bins. You can count it here from these are 20. So then there is the title. You have to give the title. It's histogram of the data, and X on X label it will have data values. On Y label it will have frequency value, and if you run it, then you can see that your histogram is plotted. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more.